Savour the flavor. Discover Sultan of Samosas, Toronto's 3 million strong snack. Welcome to Sultan of Samosas, where every bite is a delight. Craving something crispy, golden, and filled with deliciousness? Look no further than the Sultan of Samosas, a local gem at the bustling intersection of O'Connor and Sunrise, right next to the Coin Laundry. With over 3 million samosas sold, this spot is not just about numbers, it's about crafting the perfect snack every single time. Fresh, flavorful, and filled with love at Sultan of Samosas. Each samosa is handcrafted to perfection. Whether you're in the mood for something spicy, savory, or even a bit sweet, there's something for everyone. From traditional potato-filled delights to unique meat and veggie variations, their samosas are made with the freshest ingredients, guaranteeing you a mouthwatering experience. Why Sultan of Samosas stands out over 3 million sold? That's a testament to their quality and irresistible taste. Conveniently located at O'Connor and Sunrise, it's a perfect stop for a quick snack or a party tray to share. Their range of authentic flavors is second to none. Whether you like it mild or spicy, you'll find something to love. Perfect for on the go. Are you doing laundry next door? Grab a few freshly made samosas while you wait. Whether it's a quick lunch break, a snack for the road, or